So this happens right here a lot when a narcissist orchestrates you breaking up with them. And if you're new here, I have a narcissist personality disorder. A lot of times, a narcissist will treat you so terribly, will treat you so badly, will push your buttons, will just make you so miserable that you finally get up the strength to leave them. And once you leave them, the narcissist immediately moves on to someone else. And guess what? Because you left me, or because you left them, we already have the excuse. Hey, I tried to fight as hard as I could for that relationship, but she left me or he left me. Like, what was I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for them? So I moved on. A lot of times they do this when they're already cheating and have your replacement lined up, but they don't have the courage or the strength to leave you, or they want to be the victim of a breakup. Like, she broke up with me, she broke my heart, and this person helped me get over her. Either way, they have a front-end excuse to move on very quickly, and they can explain it to everybody. So sometimes the narcissist will force you to be one to discard them. And that allows the narcissist to play the victim yet again. What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of A Narcissist Explains. I am self-aware diagnosed narcissist Lee Hammock, better known as Mental Illness, the self-aware narcissist from TikTok and Instagram and all over social media. If this is the first time seeing my face, I use my platform to raise awareness for narcissistic personality disorder, and also in the process of doing that, validate victims and survivors of said disorder as well. This series right here, A Narcissist Explains, is dedicated to taking my TikToks and making them longer. Taking my YouTube shorts, making them longer. 60 seconds there, longer here. The one you just watched was about the narcissistic, the discard, from a different perspective. A perspective not a lot of people talk about. I haven't seen a lot of, I don't watch a lot of people's videos anyways, but I haven't seen, even on TikTok, come across my For You page, any videos about where the narcissist is the person that discards you, but makes you be the one to actually perform the act. Like, as a narcissist, sometimes a narcissist will treat you so terribly, will put you down so much, will take it, will make your life literally a living hell, and force you to be the one to finally strengthen up, get your power, boss up, and leave. But by doing this, the narcissist has the excuse, or can play the victim. Hey y'all, no matter what I tried to do, I wasn't good enough for them, and they left me. That's why I moved on so quickly, because a lot of times when they are forcing you to be the one to discard them, it would give me an excuse to move on really, really quickly and not be questioning it as much. People wouldn't question me as much. It was like, hey, he moved on very, very quickly, but his wife did leave him, so that makes sense to us. As you can see, that makes sense. And then if I got a new supply already lined up, I could tell them, hey, my wife left me, and here I'm here. I'm here now. Like, she finally left me. I'm sad, but I have more time and love to give to you now. And it happens a lot. And they create, as a narcissist, a lot of us like to play the victim. We like the victim role because victims get attention. Victims get sympathy. Victims get gifts and money and stuff like that. People empathize with victims and put themselves in victim shoes. Like, she left me and I ain't trying my hardest and I wasn't enough. Love me. Stuff like that happens. And then the narcissist gets to play the victim. You look like the villain because you broke up with them. And a lot of times, and this is why you look like the villain a lot of times. Because guess what? A lot of times you protect the narcissist. You are protecting us. You don't want to tell people what's going on. You want to protect our reputation. You want to protect my job or your career, my career. You want to protect our financial situation. You want to protect me around your family. You don't want people judging me, and you want me to feel awkward in situations like that. So you are protecting the narcissist by keeping quiet about the things that are going on. And then guess what? When you finally leave, you do look like the perpetrator. You left this great guy, or you left this wonderful woman. Why? And then now you want to tell your story. Your story has a lot. It seems like it has a lot. Would feel like it has a lot less credibility with you leaving for no reason, because like everybody thought y'all had a great relationship, but now you want to tell a different story. So it seems sus that people like. I can tell people like, I think she might have moved on already. She might have somebody else. That's why she left me. I can tell people that. Because if you protect me, I did a video on this very recently. If you protect me, I can pop up at the cookout, with your family's cookout, and be chilling. Like, what up? I'm still here. You awkward. When you feeling awkward, you like, I discarded this person and they're still here because my family still loves them because I never told them what was going on. So now you have to deal with that as well. Protect them within reason, but not at the cost of your sanity. I'm like people just, I don't know, protect them within reason. You know what I mean? You have to be strong and take care of yourself. Like, because like narcissists, like that's me. Yeah, we can move on quickly. The love bombing stops and we want to move on. We want to love bomb somebody else because we like the love bombing phase too. We feel great in the love bombing phase. It feels like euphoria. I found my person. And then guess what? The lights do this. The lights go out. And then we try to turn the light on with somebody else. Like, my light went out with her. Hey, I love you. 2 weeks into the relationship. I love you. Light back on. You know? And that's how it is on the inside of the narcissist. Like, that's what I'm feeling right there. I'm feeling the love, affection, and caring. And then something happens and the light switch goes off. I promise it goes off. Just like this. It comes back on. Off, on. It comes back on with other people. But you are trying to get that light to come back on. It's a whole different video for a whole different time. I know y'all was like, but just post the video now, say it now. Like, no, I can't do it right now, y'all. Just hold on. But yeah, a lot of times, you know, the narcissist will make you be the one to discard. And then a lot of times when you do that and the narcissist moves on quickly, sometimes you want the narcissist back because you discarded the narcissist. Let's say you discarded me. And you see me treating a new supply great, you think I changed. So guess what? You started to think you made a mistake. So guess what? You reach out to me. Maybe we can reconcile. And now the dynamic might change. You might be the side chick or the side dude now. You might be the side supply. You went from main supply to side supply, and you are the one that discarded me. So it doesn't look bad on me. It looks bad on you. In my head, people are like, well, actually it looks bad on everybody. But in my head, it just looks bad on you because you got rid of me. And now you want me back. You know what I mean? So it wasn't that bad. It couldn't have been that bad, right? Because we keep doing this dance over and over again. We keep doing the tap dance. We keep doing this tap dance. You know what I mean? Why you keep inviting me over? If it's so bad, why you keep inviting me over here then? Leave me alone if it's so bad. You know what I mean? But like I said, also when the narcissist you discard a narcissist, the narcissist can literally use the kids as leverage and make you and hurt your feelings. And by telling the kids, hey, look, I'm gonna cry right now. Daddy tried his hardest with mommy, but Daddy wasn't good enough for mommy. I still love y'all, though. I'm not gonna stop loving my kids. Victim. Now he playing the kids with the victim. Now he playing the role of a victim to the kids. And if you, like, I'm just telling you, everybody within reason. Of course, protect it within reason, but to protect yourself, protect your own sanity, protect your own heart and your own feelings. Because I'm telling you, life is tough out here. Life gets rough. That's why I say you got to protect yourself. Like, and if you discard a narcissist, stand on your decision. Stand on it. Because unless there's consistent change behavior, they don't take them back. But like, of course, you see them treating the other person better. You think that there's change behavior, but it's all another little subtle manipulation. So take heed, protect yourself, be safe, and love yourself a little bit more. Because that narcissistic discard, you are the one that actually gets discarded because the narcissist checks out of the relationship emotionally, physically, mentally, and all aspects. And you discard them, but we discarded you a long time ago. We checked out a relationship a long time ago and treated you miserably, and now you are checking out yourself and you're checking us out. Like, check please. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to another episode. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all, because guess what? As much as you learn from me, I learn even more from y'all. Stay blessed, like and subscribe. Until Hoodness is out. Peace.